Okay, saving the All you gotta do is probably set it from far back.
Ain't no flight either. Ain't no flight. Dwayne, no, Dwayne! Ain't no flight.
Hi, everyone. Hi. Welcome to the Little Theater here at RMA, and thank you all for braving the storm to make it tonight. I thought as I was driving here that things were going to clear, and then it hit us again. But I appreciate you getting through the storm to get here. The show that you're going to see tonight is centers around the world of blind dating. So if anyone has ever gone on a blind date, they might be able to relate to some of the stories